for all the days I spent high and low, and all my time it ran, it had to go and go.
So we decided to come to Austin with our Argumentation and Debate class, and we are here in front of the Texas State Capitol, and over to our left is actually the Texas Supreme Court. And my students this semester are studying legal rhetoric, and so they're looking at how story making and ethical decisions play out through persuasive tactics when people are arguing before either juries or judges. So we have this cool opportunity to come and listen to oral argument at the highest court level in the state of Texas. This exercise and this opportunity is going to help them be able to understand a little bit more about the role of communication and the role of narrative in shaping how we understand truth, and how we determine what constitutes a fact and what constitutes objectivity.
It was so amazing to see everything that goes into these cases, all the research that was done, and just the overall respect that everyone has in the courtroom was amazing.
You know, just listening to how they presented their cases to the judges was really fascinating to watch.
It did teach me some things about how not to approach judges or approach somebody in an argument, to have more solid facts before I make my case, I guess.
There's so many ways you can argue the same argument, and so many different cases you can bring up before and after, or particular arguments had better grounds to stand upon than other ones did. It made it really interesting. It was a great thing to watch.
It's actually really interesting how the art of rhetoric and how communication skills are used so diligently, almost as though you can't win an argument if you don't have those skills.
I liked how the judges interacted with the attorneys and helped them out if they kind of stumbled across something, and I just liked how it flowed and it was really comfortable.
Not only theory but experience is really helpful for me to memorize the things we learn in the class. So it is very nice field trip for me. Thank you.
Judges have the argument they want to hear. So you have to have all your bases covered and know everything that's going on.
The judges have read, studied, they know their stuff, and they're going to put the attorneys where the state and the appellant. You're right. Okay. To the test, and that's the way it's supposed to be in this country.
It was interesting though that they would like propose solutions to the lawyers. They would be like, so we ruled this way, would that satisfy you? Why or why not?
They were saying that he thought he did those things because he blacked out when he was drunk. Yeah. And the police made him think he had done it. And I was like, well, that's...
You started making arguments that were being made at the highest court in Texas.
Oh.
High five. If you have to know what's your theory, which facts are you going to try to emphasize and talk about, and finally be prepared about where your case might be weak because you know they're going to jump on it.